Have you ever pondered the significance of professional training in the medical device industry? Consider this: a well-trained team not only ensures efficiency in production, but also contributes to the creation of quality products, which are vital in saving lives every day. This is where ICON comes in. ICON is your go-to partner for top-tier professional training services. Whether you're a novice stepping into this industry for the first time, or a seasoned organization aiming to boost your team's proficiency, ICON has got you covered. Our training services range from imparting essential know-how to instructing on custom processes. We offer courses tailored to the needs of individual learners as well as teams. The result? Your professionally trained employees will stand out, producing superior products in less time and significantly reducing waste. But that's not all. ICON also offers product development, R&D first samples, and contracting services. So why wait? Reach out to ICON today and let us elevate your team's skills and proficiency in the medical device industry. Remember, at ICON, we believe in nurturing talent and empowering businesses to excel.